I don't see what the big deal is with using plastics for cooking. They're convenient and easy to clean.
Actually, using plastics for cooking can be harmful to your health. Plastic containers and utensils can leach chemicals into your food.
What kind of chemicals are we talking about here?
Chemicals like bisphenol A, BPA, and phthalates, which have been linked to various health problems, including hormonal disruption, developmental issues, and certain cancers.
But aren't those chemicals only present in certain types of plastics?
Yes, plastics labeled number 3, PVC, or number 7, BPA-containing plastics, are the ones to avoid. Plastics labeled number 2, HDPE, or number 5, PP, are generally considered safer for food contact.
What about microplastics? I've heard those are a concern too.
Yes, microplastics are tiny plastic fragments that can contaminate food during cooking and storage. Although the long-term health effects of microplastic ingestion are still being studied, concerns include potential harm to gut health, immune function, and even the nervous system.
How can we minimize exposure to microplastics?
Avoid using scratched or worn plastic containers, as these can release more microplastics. Opt for glass, ceramic, or stainless steel cookware whenever possible.
I see your point, but what about the environmental impact of plastics?
Plastic production and disposal contribute significantly to environmental pollution. Choosing reusable alternatives can help reduce your plastic footprint and protect the planet.
Okay, I can see why it's important to be cautious when using plastics for cooking. What are some tips for safer cooking?
Use glass, ceramic, or stainless steel cookware and utensils whenever possible. Avoid microwaving food in plastic containers unless they are specifically labeled microwave safe. Transfer hot food from plastic containers to glass or ceramic dishes before eating. Choose BPA-free plastic when available. Avoid using scratched or worn-out plastic containers. Wash all cooking tools thoroughly before and after use. Follow manufacturer's instructions. Only use plastics labeled as microwave safe or dishwasher safe for their intended purposes. Avoid heating empty plastic containers. Use alternatives when possible. Store food properly. Transfer cooked food to glass or ceramic containers for storage instead of leaving it in the plastic container it came in. Hey! Little help here? I think I'm stuck.